Are you ready? You're a part-time lover and a full-time friend. The ribbon on your head is the latest trend. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but you. I kiss you on the nose in the middle of the park. I wanted a man and found you instead. Now only you have a place in my bed. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but you. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but you. You have found your niche in my car. You are my star. Don't strum so hard, you'll break a string. I would climb a mountain for you. Back there's nothing I wouldn't do. Do 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 do. Just because I use commands doesn't mean we aren't okay. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but you. I'm in love with how you feel. Trixie, come on. I'm serious. We both have crazy wild morning hair, but when I need a friend, you are always there. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but you. You are spade and I seem hopeless, but it's okay 'cause together they can't stop us. I don't see what anyone can see in